Good morning. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 31st of January 2014. You're watching multiple time frames and we are analyzing Bitstamp as we speak. We're going to share technical analysis between MtGox and Bitstamp. Right now, this is the weekly chart. It's showing us a higher low formation with a potential visit to 834, the famous 834. We've been talking about this for quite some time already. But look at the similarities and look the synchrony between the weekly chart and the 3-day chart. This is a new higher low information on the 3-day chart, and look what's happening with the weekly chart. This is very powerful messages that it might bring a new bullish trend or a new uptrend for the market, and why not, the volume will show up once again. Intraday wise, this is the situation. Yesterday everybody saw, for the last 3 days actually, the market is trying, sellers send us this particular long range candlesticks trying to push the price down towards lower prices, but buyers managed to basically deny this particular retracement with only one candlestick, penetrating the body of the previous one in more than 90%. And the uptrend came with an overextended trend with candles, but not per movement. This is something that we have to take into consideration, and maybe, only maybe, the price will be helped by the volume today or in the next few hours to push himself up to try to reach 834. We're going to keep an eye on it because that means higher lows in the small time frames will show up. Higher lows such as 240-minute chart, 60-minute charts, and why not 15-minute chart in case the trend leave us and we can't access to opportunities in major time frames. We can actually look for higher lows in the small time frames such as 15 minutes. Right now, this is the 12-hour chart. There is another higher low, but this one is more special than any other one. It was a previous lower high that was denied. It failed to progress towards the lower area in which is in 725. Instead, it built a higher low, and right now this is a very positive sign that is trying to push buyers, trying to push the price towards 834, and why not create a new double top tail. We'll see what happens at that point. But what concerns us the most right now is intraday, 240-minute chart and 60-minute chart. Here it is. There is a higher low in the 240-minute chart right now, reaching the SMA 200 with an entry in 809 with 80. There is where the entry is right now, and why not, if it pushes good enough and the strength with the volume comes once again into the market, we might see this higher low potentially reaching the 834 target, and after that a potential consolidation, or why not an overextended trend with a decent volume pushing the price towards major areas or higher levels at that point. And last but not least, this is the 60-minute chart that is showing us definitely price over the SMA 200, and it's definitely trying to build a new higher low. Keep an eye on it. Good opportunities come along, and why not, could be the day for a very nice weekend with decent profits on our pockets. And last but not least, this is MtGox, which everybody knows the differences between the arbitrage and obviously the margins. Right now, what's happening with the 3-day chart? Consolidation, as you can see, potential breakup, and why not trying to reach the next target, which is 1038. However, this is the situation in the daily chart, pushing the price back up again from bottom, from a main support, and is trying once again to reach first the 973. That's the mark for the intraday. That's the target, and if it reaches that, then this is the 12-hour chart showing us that situation. 950 and 73 could be the target for today, and after that it has enough space on the left hand side to push the price once again to try to reach minor resistance, which are located in 1038. That's the situation. And last but not least, there is a new higher low in 240-minute charts with the SMA 200 that is used by the price to support this particular pattern. That's the situation we have. So far with the 60-minute chart is too erratic to give you a very good chance of opportunities. But as far as I'm concerned, I can see a higher low right over, is already built and is right over the SMA 200. Keep an eye on it. Thank you for watching.